Hello friends, in today's maths video, I'm going to explain the question related to trigonometry. So here on the screen, you can see right now there is given cos theta by 3 equals to 1 by 2 a plus 1 by a. Find cos theta or prove cos theta equals to 1 by 2 a cube plus 1. Okay, I have tried to mix two questions in one question. So what will happen in the question is like sometimes you will be asked you will be asked if cos theta equals to this much and then find cos theta, or you will be asked if cos theta by 3 equals to 1 by 2 this one and prove it. So however these two questions are going to be the same solutions. I just want to confirm you that I just want to tell you that question might be asked sometimes to just to find or sometimes to prove. So whatever is the question, you are going to follow the same process. Now let me talk about the solution related to this question. So what will happen is like you can see this if means. Okay, so always in the question, so you might have noticed in the any kind of mathematics solutions, if there is question the word if is used in that, so you always have to understand that is the help or the facility given to you in the process of solution. So this means this cos theta is your property. Okay, property means the help that you are going to use in your question. So you can see here, so this is the help given you, and this is the question, the problem. Okay, so now cos theta is your question mark. Okay, so how do you find the cos theta? So first you need to understand, whenever this cos theta is given, you will have so many ways to go, but which ways to choose depends on the this help given. Okay, so this is the help given. So what you see is cos theta, you have a two way. You might use this cos theta in a different ways. So one way is like this: you can do either 2 theta by 2 or cos 3 theta by 3, and sometimes even cos 4 theta by 4. But right now I don't want to go more, I just want to explain. So right now, if you have two ways, so which way do you definitely will choose? So if I see my help here, it is given theta by 3, and definitely our thing is matching with this one. Okay, so I need to go with this process, and this is not going to be selected. So what I'm going to do is cos 3 theta by 3. So you can see whatever I need, it has already arrived in my thing. Okay, now after doing this, what to do now? Of course the way I have choose, but you also need to know the formula to solve the further process. So now this, don't you think this thing looks like cos 3a? And what about this formula? So now the formula of cos 3a is 4 cos cube a plus minus 3 cos a. So we have the formula of cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So that means cos 3 theta by 3 is going to become 4 cos cube. Okay, here a means a. It has not been changed, a as a only, right? So in place of a in our original thing there is theta by 3. So instead this a I'm going to write theta by 3. Okay, so this is just as a. So in the formula it was a, now here it is theta by 3, and so this thing also become 3 cos theta by 3. So now what is the advantage of writing this in the formula? So now it's a very simple process. Now you go to take the help from your given help given. So according to our help, now I'm coming back to my help, which was given by the question cos theta by 3. Entire thing means 1 by 2 a plus 1 by a. That means we have already cos theta by 3 here. So but though there is a cube, okay, to make that, to reduce that confusion, I'm going to do like this: cos theta by 3 whole cube. Okay, so cos theta by 3 we have already have the value. Similarly here is just cos theta by 3, so we don't need to make any changes, though I am going to keep it in the bracket to make you more clear about the concept. Okay, now for in the further process, to make you more clear, first you need to understand what does that cos theta by 3 means. Okay, I'm going to show you in the rough column. So cos theta by 3, according to the given thing, that help which I told you, is this one, right? Cos theta by 3 means this thing. So wherever I see, wherever in my process, if I see cos theta by 3, I can replace this thing with 1 by 2 a plus 1 by a. So here what will happen is 4 as it is, and this thing will become 1 by 2 a plus 1 by a and whole bracket cube. Okay, so I should have used another bracket here externally, that is the mathematical rule. So you can see here, in place of cos theta by 3 I replaced this thing, and cube is in its own position. Similarly 4 also is in its own position, and similarly here 3 means as 3, and this is 1 by 2 a plus 1 by a. Now my further thing is I just need to solve the process using the formula, whatever comes in my way. So now here if 4 as it is, that 4 doesn't, this cube does not affect to this 4 because it is sitting outside, so 4 will be as it is, and this 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 8, right? The bracket is still there. And what about this a plus 1 by a cube? So the cube will apply to this bracket separately and this 1 by 2 separately. 1 by 2 work is done. Now a plus 1 by a means what I have to simply do is I need to open it with formula. And what is the a plus b cube formula? And it's very simple. It is a cube plus 3a squared dot 1 by a plus 3a dot 1 by a squared plus 1 by a cube. Okay, so this is very large extension. It is a plus b cube formula. You can see a cube plus 3a square b, 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so that thing is, I think you have already studied in algebra. I'm not going more detailedly because that makes the video a little longer. I don't want to explain so much about it. And now let me see here what will happen. Okay, here there is nothing more to do, so what I simply do is I will apply this 3 by 2 and a plus 1 by a. Okay, so I just multiplied 3 and 1. Okay, this bracket is still closed here. And now, okay, instead writing here I wrote here, I hope you have understood that, because there might not be the enough space. And here you can see simply cut this a and a square, and here this is square and a is cancelled. So what is left, I'm going to, and you can do one more thing, this 4 can cut this air and it will become 2. So now this becomes 1 by 2, right? And a cube plus 3a plus 3 by a plus 1 by a cube, and other side this time I am opening the bracket, this one, and this becomes 3a by 2 minus 3 by 2a. Okay, this is as it is, just open the bracket. You need to understand minus plus minus also. And now the last step here, what I'm going to do is 1 by 2 a cube. Okay, I'm going to make this 1 by 2 enter with all the elements inside the bracket. So this is 1 a cube by 2, and this becomes 3 by 2a plus 3 by 2a plus 1 by 2a cube, and 3a by 2 minus 3 by 2a. Okay, now here is the magic has happened, that is some similar terms from this side, 3a by 2 and 3a by 2 is cancelled. Similarly, minus 3 by 2a, this is cancelled. So what we have left with 1 by 2a cube plus 1 by 2a cube. So it's like you just need to take the 1 by 2 common, and your answer is achieved at this point. And this is the last stage. So either you have been asked to find cos theta, this is your answer, or either you have been asked to prove this, that there was the second question, prove that cos theta equals to 1 by 2 a cube plus 1 by a cube. So you can conclude your answer according to the given question. So right now it is okay, I will write hence proved. If it has been asked, then you will be writing hence proved, or if it is not asked just to find the cos theta, then this is going to be your final answer. So here it was the solution of the full question from this trigonometric question. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have understood many things and the concept also, and I hope it has tried to make reduce your confusion in such kind of questions. So finally, thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and please comment on for my next video content. I'll be waiting for your comment, and I'll be making the videos in upcoming days. Thank you for watching, and thank you for everything. Have a nice time.